Ryan? All right, now we're going to go over beware the birds and beware the weeds. And this is just for the acorns. And they are doing a great job with this. We started this a while back and they really caught on to this song. Both of these songs will start like this, and they're in a circle protecting their field. So but they do not always have to smile during this song. It's more of a protection. They're kind of like a guard of the field. And they will go, beware, beware, beware of the crows. They steal all the seeds that we sow. Dun, dun, dun. Beware, beware, you birds have to stop. And then you're going to make a figure eight. You have a hand on your hip, and it's kind of like a Zorro wand, I told them. It's like if you're making a figure eight. Before you destroy all our crop, it's crops, and then da-da-dum, their foot stomps down and their hands go back to protection. So before you destroy all our crops, da-da-dum. And then they freeze like this, and there's a little bit of dialogue and music in between where they're freezing in the middle of this one. And then it's beware, beware. And this just turns into a job. Beware, and you're nasty and mean. Where did you come from? You're not on our team. Get out of our field. Get off of our land. I'm trying to remember. And this is our final demand. Same thing with the stomp and arms back. Da-da-dum. For beware of the weeds, we're starting like this